Kakanun Menteri jong Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance hak jingela mu menteri rangba korat kisangma hak janmit ap sautrek nawieng archar puar kalapan ban pelong doket Central Bureau of Investigation CBI now menteri badai kmi ketrat kampo yang ke Sorkar India Amit Shah halor ke jingjia syasiat yap sangut kinong Shillong hak pulit ke asa Mukroh West Chanty Hills District hak step arpu artrek nawieng archar puar hak kran iskilat patahai kebor din ke jingi kendu baru Amit Shah menteri rangba ke jelau laong ba kanun menteri kalapan sengau ka Amit Shah ek cing batai babnya halor kanie bana kaliang cung ulak kuburi kanie kiwei pat ki menteri sarkar ki blai selran langi menteri rangba ki kentup uba preston tensong sembut menteri rangba uba lakmen remboi menteri ketenat kampo yeng uba hamlet sondoling pad uba renik tan lengdo tongkar kumban syukudau ba Sorkar Assam haka arfly trek nawi yang archar puar lengba kanun menteri jongka kala mencuru ban patoket CBI halor kate ki cingcia.
Today in the evening, my cabinet colleagues, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and other cabinet ministers, including our Home Minister, had met the Honorable Union Home Minister, Government of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, and we had briefed him regarding the unfortunate incident that took place in Mukroh village in West Chanty Hills in Meghalaya a couple of days back, where 6 precious lives were lost. We explained and we gave a detail of the different circumstances that led to the incident as per the information that was received by us. And apart from that, we have also seen that statements have come from the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam that the entire incident in the shooting that took place was unprovoked and there was excess use of power by the police from Assam. And keeping that in mind, we have requested the Government of India to constitute a central agency inquiry into this entire incident that took place, either through CBI or through NIA or any appropriate agency, so that the truth can come out, and more importantly, action is taken against those who are responsible for this inhuman act. The Honorable Union Home Minister has given us the assurance that he will constitute an inquiry under a central agency, and the order for that should be coming out anytime. And we thank the Honorable Union Home Minister for his positive response. Apart from that, we shared with the Honorable Union Home Minister that the root cause of the entire tension that has been building up in that area and other areas has to do with the long pending border issue between the two states.